Have you ever thought about repurposing your old furniture for your garden? It's a wonderful way to save money, reduce waste, and add a unique personal touch. Imagine your old unused furniture becoming a charming addition to your green space. Firstly, it's important to choose the right piece of furniture. Consider items like wooden benches or chairs, even tables. These can be transformed into unique garden features with a bit of creativity. Remember, the sturdier the furniture, the longer it will last outdoors. Once you've selected your furniture, it's time to prepare it for the outdoors. Start by giving your piece a good clean, removing any dust or grime that might have built up over the years. Next, you'll want to sand it down. This will not only smooth out any rough patches, but also help the finish adhere better. Finally, apply a weather-resistant finish. This will seal the wood, protecting it from moisture and sun damage. With proper preparation, your furniture will be ready to withstand the elements. Now, the fun part, decorating and positioning your furniture. Unleash your creativity. Give your repurposed furniture a new life with a fresh coat of paint in bright colors. Add cushions for comfort and style, or transform it into a plant stand for a touch of greenery. Positioning is key. Consider the sun's path, the view, and the overall layout of your garden. With a bit of creativity, your old furniture can become a focal point in your garden. Your old furniture can find a new life in your garden. We've walked through the steps together, choosing the right piece, prepping it for its new role, decorating and positioning it just right. It's a creative, eco-friendly way to add a personal touch to your outdoor space. So why not give it a go? Try repurposing your own furniture and see the transformation unfold. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.